What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. In this video we got some very interesting charts that I got to share with you for us to check out, and more information on the hash rate for Cas and how how bullish that is for Cas, and also a little bit more information on the CoinPal integration with the debit card, right? So you could basically use Cas on a debit card to buy and sell products real time, right? Use it for merchants, etc., buying and selling stuff online, any places that take cards in real time, right? So we're gonna dive into all of that in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description, guys. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project, because crypto is very risky and very volatile. And if you go through the first link to the channel, please become a channel member, guys, to the channel. Right now we're sitting at 11 channel members. Let's get to 100. It really helps to keep the channel growing, keep supporting the channel, so I can make consistent content for you guys to enjoy, right? So if you want to support further, please become a channel member. Right now Cas is sitting at 443 cent. Bit of a correction right now for Cas. $889 million in market cap, $27.2 million in 24-hour trade volume. Having a bit of a correction right now from the previous all-time high that was made at 51 cent. And this is why I say wait for a bit. If you're gonna get exposure, only buy a little bit of Cas if you are gonna be buying at that 5 cent mark, because obviously it could have kept going up, obviously, but like that's what I was saying in my live streams. You get a little bit of exposure just in case, just buy a little bag. If it keeps going up, you're in profit. But that's if it starts to drop after you buy, then you could start to DCA down, right? So now you could obviously start making doing your DCA for Cas, right? Because now you're gonna be buying in corrections, which is the best time to buy. Now is when you buy, right? You buy when it's red days, right? That's how you make money in the space, by buying the red, selling the green, right? From VUC, time to accumulate. I hope we reach 4 cents, then I can go heavier. So a lot of people are looking for that 4 cent target for Cas. Will we see that? Let's watch and see, man. Sleepy Joe, I'm bullish on Cas. Koki, already 4 million have been drained. I think I saw this guy commenting before, trying to fund the project, saying the team is dumping Cas, etc., etc. My guy, do your own research, man. You got to do your own research to win in this space, man. You got to research for yourself. There is no team, there's no VCs, no pre-mine of the project, right? The only people that are selling are other investors in the project, right? And the only way for the rest of the supply for Cas, right, the other 8 billion of the supply to go into circulation, is for the miners to mine it, right, and then put it into circulation. That's the only other way for that amount of the rest of the supply will go into circulation, right? It's not a team that is doing a vesting schedule and doing unlocks, right? It's the miners that are mining. They acquire Cas through mining, and then that gets added to circulation. Nerd things and more. Cas is a winner for me, holding big time. 87, come on, follow a little more. I want to buy bigger, check for my money. I'm in for the long haul. $100 in 5 years, $1,000 in 10 years. Look at these price predictions. $100 in 5 years, $1,000 in 10. Wow, man. Wow. Imagine that happens in the future. And there's the thing, anything can happen in crypto, man. Nothing's impossible, right? We see it all the time, man. XRP sucks. Wow, that's a crazy name. There has to be a lot of day traders. Right here, Gutes, just reminding you all that Cas is at a hash rate all-time high at 5.75 PHS. First chart we're gonna check out, again, I told you guys in the last video how high, when the all-time high for Kaspa's hash rate is up, the price action more than likely will be bullish, man. I'm telling you, similar to Bitcoin, the more difficulty to mine the blocks, the less block rewards, the harder it is to mine the project, the more bullish it becomes. Right? Same thing with Bitcoin, man. When the miners start going crazy again, because of last year and the market conditions, the majority of the miners capitulated. They're gonna start going crazy again on the mining, and that's when we're gonna see Bitcoin start to go to new all-time highs, right? This is the first chart we got to check out from Jim Skibum. Kaspa fractal potential retest of previous all-time high. Looks like Kas wants to retest his previous all-time high right now. ETH and ADA both did dips. Was not an unexpected normal price action in a cup and handle breakout. So we can see in this image, let me zoom in, right? We can see Kas is following the Ethereum and Cardano fractal and how they had huge explosions from basically nothing, man. Insane, right? And Kas is just following along. It's just following along. That is a crazy thing to, see. And it's absolutely bonkers. Kas daily chart still is on track to repeat itself. It's a small one, but we got a green daily candle, four green candles, one red candle, three green candles, two red candles, one green candle. Three red candles start from the beginning. Next run in 3 days. So, a lot of people are expecting a drop down to that 41 cent, 42 cent mark, and then we make a bounce. Then we start to go up. So, keep an eye on those levels, man. And from Crypto El Presidente, HTF thoughts on Kas. Why I'm still bullish, why everything that Kas is doing is normal. Can't write a long enough post to annotate it on the chart. There is a time to be bearish and a reasonable point of validation, but we have not reached that point on the 1 day log. So again, retrace back down to that 4142 cent, 4 cent mark, and then we start another move up from there, man. Right? The trend is your friend for Kas, and that's gonna be great, man. If you're looking at DCA, those would be your targets. Which exchange is loading Kas? Seems they're buying. Who's buying it? It's me, you caught me. Kaspa Insider. 6.4 million Kas purchase. Who the heck? Somebody buying, an exchange is buying silently on Kas. Moonshot Josh, Kas, sign me up. These are going to be sick. So from OX 2080, CoinPal Kas credit card is currently under development and is expected to launch in October. So I didn't give you guys a launch date before, so it's expected in October. The first batch will have 50 slots. If interested, please complete the form. Thank you. So you guys could go out and complete the form to get the Kaspa debit card through CoinPal right here from OX 2080. Just type that in on Twitter, and then you can find the information. Kaspa news. Kas started the same as how BTC started years ago. The only difference is that Kas solves the blockchain trilemma. Scalable as it runs through block tags, secure proof of work, decentralized, no pre-mine, no ICOs, no VCs, community driven, no team tokens. It's full decentralization, decentralized scalable security, right? The only person that's selling right now Kas is probably whales who got in, back here. People that got in down here probably selling, or people that got in back here probably selling. That's the only reason it's retracing right now, but corrections are healthy, right? And we can see Kas solves the blockchain trilemma. FOMO Capital, here's a good reason to put Kas on your radar this bull cycle. Distribution models like this don't come around often. Look at this, is exactly what I'm talking about. So this shows the token distribution of Kas. Look at how great the token distribution is. There's no huge whales that hold a crazy amount of supply. It's so beautiful to see, right? The top 100 Kaspa holders are only hold 22%. That's all the top 100 hold. The top 10 hold 6%, right? The top 10 holds 6%. The top Kas holder holds 1%. Look at this. This is the distribution of Kaspa. This is beautiful, man. It's not, You know, imagine if we would have had this green like expanded out to here, right? All the way expanded out to this size. Then it's like, what the heck? Imagine this person dumps. You know, and as like we keep going up, this green and this light green, they'll get smaller and smaller, and that's just gonna distribute even better to all the smaller wallets, smaller holders of Cas, which makes even better distribution. Kaspa hash rate continues to increase every day, while another round of Ice River miners will be coming online next week. Do your own research and pack your bags. We all know what's about to happen to Cas hash rate when Kaspa hash rates continues to soar from Kaspa Kev and from House of Chimera. Kaspa hash rate is soaring to another all-time high. Generally, an increase in hash rate indicates that the ecosystem has been growing while enhancing the chain security. Additionally, an increase in hash rate often decentralizes a chain due to more network participants. You hear that? We're hitting new all-time highs in our hash rate, and that just means even more decentralization for Kaspa. Cas hash rate exploding again. You know what that means. I think we Cas, you know what comes next? Yep, we hit all the way up to 6 PHS. Kaspa has cracked the 6 PHS and thus reached a new hash rate all-time high. Cas will see an incredible rise over the next few weeks. Just got to be patient. Right here from Kaspa Kev. Kaspa hash rate going parabolic. Price will follow soon, right? 6 PHS right here, man. Shout out to Seps Giuseppe, shout out to Kaspa Enthusiast and Kaspa Kev. Guys, this is gonna be crazy, right? Look for your entries. DCA, obviously this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, if you got a diversified portfolio, gotta have Cas. You just have to at this point. I think it's already proved like it's bullish momentum, right? It's proved itself, right? So you got a diversified portfolio, you gotta have Cas, man. In my opinion, this is not financial advice, but yeah, man. Caspian, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Please become a channel member. We're sitting at 11 channel members. Let's get to 100. That's the first link in the description. Share the video, like the video, spread it all over social media. Let's go viral. Caspians, 10 cents is next for Cas. It's gonna happen quicker than most people think. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, I am nothing without y'all, so I truly appreciate and love y'all, man. I'll catch you in the next one.